Hi, my name is Brian Baldwin, and I'm really excited to introduce the exercise, Can I Really Trust This Data? So students are going to be looking at a data set that is a true technological marvel. It's 10-meter resolution data that has the entire globe classified into 11 land use categories. So what does that really mean? It means you can look outside your window, you can look outside your neighborhood and anywhere in the world, and we have an ability and a way to start categorizing, measuring land use change at a very fine detail. So students, number one, are going to look at some of this data and explore it across the globe to start seeing how could this information be used and what does it even mean. And most importantly is the second step for this exercise. Students are going to be asked to use Survey 123 to actually create a way to go out and conduct field surveys to measure and look at the accuracy of this WorldCover data set. So by capturing the types of land use they see in their neighborhoods and putting it into the same 11 categories, we can then compare it to the WorldCover data set to see, is it the same land use category? Is it different? And then students can start to ask questions of why does this differ? And is it because of the resolution, the time of year? And what does it really mean? So for this exercise, rather than just kind of thinking that this kind of data, this magical 10-meter resolution data set appeared out of nowhere, students will be asked to question and think about how this kind of information gets created, the value of it, how it can get used, and lastly, start to go out and assess the quality of this kind of data by walking into their neighborhoods or around their town to capture some information using their phones. So I hope you're excited to get started. Let's get going with the exercise.